Welcome to Alchemy Parts, the motorbike accessory specialist. If you're looking to upgrade your indicators, we sell a wide variety of them on our website. They're designed for a range of bikes, including cafe racers, scramblers, commuters, special builds, and custom bikes. What's more, some of our indicators have built-in stop and tail lights for the rear and driving lights for the front, and they come in a range of finishes such as gloss black, matte black, and chrome. Some also have different bezels to suit your needs, and they all come in a variety of sizes. Thanks for watching.